Hey guys, so the one thing I wanted to really talk to you about today is when you're reading through what I give you, this box was on yesterday where it says right here, Antonio, your name is Irina Sendler. And then I got an assignment all about Rosa Parks, but Rosa Parks is not on our list of people to choose from because we've already researched her so much this year. So unfortunately, I'm going to need you to go back and redo that assignment. But I'm going to excuse you from what we're doing in ELA today in class so you have time to go back and do that because the whole point is for us to find people who aren't as known, which is why if you guys had read through this, same thing for you, Thizine, I need you to kind of go back and make sure that you're looking through these directions. Your names have been given. So I'm going to need you to go back and use the stuff from yesterday and make sure that you are doing it on the right person. For writing, the one thing I wanted you to know for writing, let me put that here. Narrative. I had it up, it went away. There's my example. So what I want you to do is try to finish your writing page 1 today. So if you look here, the theme being courage, the rising action is what gets you to the climax. So if your climax is this big event, what are the 3 things that happen? Mine were that the dad gets him a job to help him be more confident with speaking. He finds out more about the speech and practices, and then he's going to do his presentation. And the falling action is what gets them to the solution. So because you are a little bit, both of you guys are going to be a couple days behind us, which is totally normal and fine. What I want you to focus on today is numbers 1, 2, 3, 11, and 7. So when you pick your climax, which is the big moment of the book, and Watson's go to Birmingham, the problem would have been Byron misbehaving, but the climax would have been the bombing. So once you write what it's going to be, so here's the climax, you write it down, you come down to the climax slide, which is slide 8, and then just make a bulleted list. The only paragraph I really need from you guys right now is the setting, which most of you have done. So it's just bulleted lists on these other pages that were hold on one sec. So make sure that you're going through with these and you're writing down a list of what each one is. I want you to just start with your research project and your writing this morning. I will post some math quizzes towards the end of the day for you to work on. But if during this short day you only get done with your graphic organizers and your writing, I'm just moving everything from yesterday to today, then that should be good to go. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.